Hola, me presento, me llamo Brian y soy de México y estoy con...
Mi nombre es Hellen y estamos haciendo tamales para el día de hoy.
Sí,
Como primer paso vamos a remojar las hojas de tamal. We choose them because it's something that represents Mexico because it's corn. We're using corn. For the tamales, we are using flour for tamales,
flour,
vegetable shortening,
baking
and baking powder,
powder, salt,
and chicken broth,
chicken flavor.
onions, tomatoes, chiles.
I don't know what it is.
We are using garlic. For the first step, we soak this into the water, and the water should be warm or hot. That way they could be blend or not. Like okay, they soak for the water for 30 minutes and get.
They don't break or anything.
We use 1.5 of vegetable shortening, salt, and baking powder, and we mix it until it's like soft and a little cream already mixed.
Salt. The salt doesn't have to be a lot, just a little cup of it. And the baking powder is we use only one
1 tablespoon. And we're gonna mix it until it's a little bit of cream, and after that we can pour the flour.
We know when it's ready when it's like kind of like this.
And it doesn't stick in your hands. After the mass is ready, we're gonna put it in our.
We take these things out of the water and we put it in this side so they can dry easily. And we start to like
Pour it into
the masa into this. But this one have a face, so the smoother face is gonna be outside and the rough is gonna be inside. And in here we're gonna put the tamales, and then we're gonna like ¿cómo se dice esto?
like we wanna
fold in like fold in a way the meat doesn't go out like this.
And you put it in the. We also put the salsa in the oven after we blend it, and then the same salsa we put it with some oil. You can use whatever oil you want, and you mix with a little bit of onion, and then when it's just wait for a little bit to be cold, and then you can put it into the mass.
Do the chicken.
You put it into the chicken, and then you can use it for the tamales.
Yeah, and then you let it wait for around like 1 hour or 1 hour and a half.
And after that, it should be fine. And we also put some like this tied to the
handles, to the
handles, because people in Mexico say that when you don't put this in the handles, the tamales can hear you that you're waiting for them, and they can be crazy. They can be they're not gonna be cooked, or they're gonna be half cooked, and then crudos.
Crudos, I don't have crudos.
They're not gonna be.
They're not gonna be
cooked.
ready.
So that's why people put this and into the la olla.
Oh yeah. Yes.
And into the pot we put water and pennies. Yeah, because that way if the water pour, you can know because the pennies start making a noise. So you just put in more water and wait until they're cooked.
Yep. Okay, these are the finished tamales.